Section 1, Cosmic Tango, an introduction to life forms A and B. Deep within the Andromeda Galaxy, on a planet bathed in the crimson glow of a dying sun, exists a spectacle that challenges our very understanding of life. Here, two extraterrestrial species, designated A and B, engage in a mesmerizing dance of interdependence. Their existence is a delicate balancing act, a testament to the universe's boundless capacity for creating bizarre and beautiful life forms. Imagine a world where the air crackles with unknown energies, where the flora pulsates with bioluminescence, and the very ground vibrates with the heartbeat of an alien ecosystem. This is the world of A and B. Life form A, with its sleek metallic exoskeleton, resembles a terrestrial cephalopod, its body pulsating with vibrant bioluminescent patterns. These creatures, though seemingly simple, possess a complex neural network, allowing for a surprising degree of intelligence. They navigate their environment with a graceful fluidity, their tentacles rippling with an almost hypnotic rhythm. However, for all their advanced cognition and physical prowess, the A are critically dependent on their counterparts, the B. The B, in stark contrast to the A, resemble terrestrial fungi. Their forms a network of interconnected tendrils that spread across the planet's surface. These tendrils, far from being simple roots, are capable of absorbing energy directly from the planet's core, converting it into a unique form of bioluminescent energy. This energy, in turn, is the lifeblood of the A, who lack the biological machinery to directly harness the planet's geothermal energy. The relationship between A and B is not merely symbiotic, but absolutely crucial for their continued existence. The A, unable to survive without the B's energy, have evolved a unique reproductive strategy that relies entirely on their fungal counterparts. This remarkable adaptation, a testament to the power of natural selection, forms the crux of the A and B's intergalactic survival story. Section 2. The Dance of DNA, a symphony of shared genes. The reproductive dance between A and B is a marvel of interspecies interaction, a process where genetic material is exchanged and recombined in a way that blurs the lines between individual organisms. The A, upon reaching sexual maturity, will seek out a B drawn to the pulsating rhythm of its bioluminescent energy. This encounter, far from being a passive exchange, involves a complex interplay of chemical signals and bioluminescent displays. The A, using its tentacles, will gently caress the B's tendrils, initiating a process of genetic material transfer. The A, unlike most life forms we know, do not possess discrete packages of DNA. Instead, their genetic information is stored in a fluid form, a shimmering bioluminescent liquid that courses through their bodies. This fluid, when brought into contact with the B's tendrils, is absorbed, carrying with it the A's unique genetic signature. The B, in turn, contributes its own genetic material, a complex cocktail of proteins and enzymes that are absorbed by the A. This exchange of genetic material is not merely a one-way street. The B, though seemingly passive in this interaction, benefits greatly from the A's genetic contribution. The A's genetic fluid contains enzymes that enhance the B's ability to absorb geothermal energy, making it more efficient in its energy production. This in turn leads to a positive feedback loop, where healthier B's attract more A's, ensuring the continued survival of both species. The offspring produced from this unusual union are neither A nor B, but a unique blend of both parents' traits. These offspring, taking the form of small bioluminescent spores, are released into the atmosphere where they drift on the planet's strong winds. Only a small fraction of these spores will find suitable conditions to germinate, but those that do will grow into either A or B, perpetuating the cycle of interdependence. As Section 3A's predicament, the price of pickiness. The survival of both A and B hinges on a delicate balance of their unique reproductive roles. The A, despite their intelligence and complex nervous systems, face a significant challenge. Each individual A can only reproduce once in its lifetime. This limitation stems from the energy-intensive process of producing their unique genetic fluid. Creating this fluid requires a significant portion of the A's energy reserves, leaving it depleted and unable to repeat the process. This reproductive constraint places a significant pressure on the A to choose their mates carefully. They have evolved a complex system of bioluminescent signals and tactile communication to assess the health and genetic fitness of potential B partners. The brighter and more complex the bee's bioluminescence, the more attractive it is to an A, signaling a robust metabolism and a desirable genetic makeup. Furthermore, the A have developed a remarkable ability to sense the genetic compatibility of potential mates. Through their tactile interactions, they can detect subtle variations in the bee's chemical signals, allowing them to avoid mating with individuals carrying undesirable genetic traits or those too closely related. This meticulous selection process, though seemingly time-consuming, is crucial for maximizing the chances of producing healthy offspring. This careful selection process, however, comes at a cost. The time and energy spent searching for the perfect mate limit the number of potential offspring an A can produce in its lifetime. This limitation is further compounded by the harsh environmental conditions and the ever-present threat of predation from other, less discerning life forms that inhabit this alien world. Section 4. Bees' boon flourishing in the face of adversity. In contrast to the A's reproductive constraints, the bee enjoy a seemingly limitless reproductive potential. Their fungal network allows them to produce vast quantities of spores, each carrying the potential to develop into a new bee or, with the genetic contribution of an A new generation of both species. This prolific reproductive strategy is crucial for the bee's survival, offsetting the high mortality rate of their spores. The bee's success, however, is not solely due to their reproductive prowess. Their ability to directly harness geothermal energy grants them a level of independence that the A lack. This energy independence allows them to thrive in environments that would be inhospitable to most other life forms, including the A. Their tendrils can penetrate deep into the planet's crust, seeking out geothermal hotspots and converting the planet's heat into the bioluminescent energy that sustains their ecosystem. Despite their seemingly simple existence, the bee have evolved a surprising degree of resilience. Their interconnected network allows them to share resources and information, making them remarkably resistant to environmental changes and disease. Even if a section of the network is damaged, the remaining parts can continue to function, ensuring the survival of the whole. This resilience, coupled with their reproductive capacity, makes the bee a cornerstone of their ecosystem. They are the foundation upon which the A's existence is built, providing not only sustenance, but also a crucial link in the intricate chain of life that characterizes this alien world.